Hi there, this is my entry for the Bolt.new hackathon, in particular the one-shot challenge based challenge. And the idea behind that challenge is that you get the entire application in one go from one prompt. Additionally, I'm using Netlify here for deployment, such that it's able to host it for anyone to access it if they want to. You can see here, I've already gone ahead and entered a zip code, but let me go through it again. I can go ahead and enter any zip code. It calls the geocoding API to get back the longitude and latitude from OpenMedio, and then it uses that longitude and latitude to get back the weather based on that API. And you can see I can go from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And just for demonstration purposes, I have this drop down here to allow me to test the different weather patterns. So you can see it's sunny right now. And you can see the current is a little bit shaded, and that's because the cloud coverage is slightly there. I can go to rain, and you can see the rainfall, and there's an animation of that occurring. I can go to storm, and it's both the precipitation from the rain here and the lightning in the background. I can switch to snow, and that shows the behavior it would have with precipitation of snowfall if it was the middle of winter. Partly cloudy, which shows the clouds coverage here and how it would look, and fog showing kind of a hazy look there. Additionally, at nighttime, instead of showing the sun here, it shows the moon. Now, in terms of the one-shot challenge itself, you can see right here in Bolt that I have a very simple prompt here, just giving information about a viewport canvas, the landscape taking up the whole space, the dynamic weather elements that can be happening. I gave back all of the weather codes to allow the AI to be able to determine what it should do given that for the various responses. I gave some animation information about how each animation should look, like for example the fog with the haze overlay. I gave back some information about the Celsius versus Fahrenheit, the quote in the beginning, and just generally the API stuff here of how that responds, because I wanted the API to not have any issues being implemented, and giving those examples helped guide the AI to do it. And same here with the weather and its example response. And then, branding and some of the technical requirements. Well, I hope you enjoyed my app. It was a very simple but fun little one to get together, and it gave a pretty cool result. Thank you.